everyone, I am Shania from Khushid Girls Inter College Rampur. In this speech, you will find information about World Environment Day. I can find God in nature, in animals, in birds, and the environment. Environmental issues and ways to protect environment. Now let's start. Environmental issues. World Environment Day is celebrated 5th of June every year. On this day, awareness and action programs are organized to support and protect our environment. History of World Environment Day. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations as a Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment that had resulted from discussions on the integration of human interactions and in the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held to raise awareness about emerging environmental issues. World Environment Day is celebrated. 2022 is hosted by Sweden. Only one Earth is the campaign slogan with the focus living sustainably in harmony with nature. World Environment Day addresses the issues faced by every environmental factor: ocean, rivers, animals, global warming, plants, rain, climate change, and glacier melts and coral reefs, etc. That's to protect environment. Consume less, compost, use usable or single use, buy shop second, recycle properly, upcycle more, shop second hand, buy local, use fewer chemicals, you work bike or carpool, use less water, use your purchasing power for good, conserve electricity, etc. The world is facing tremendous environmental degradation such as pollution, deforestation, as well as aquatic life reduction, overpopulation, global warming, etc. This day on how this day focuses on how the world this day focuses on how degrading the environment can create disaster in the life of all living beings. Many camps, seminars, along with rallies and morning procession remain the center of attraction of the day. It is People's Day. It is People's Day for doing something. It is People's Day for doing. It is People's Day for doing something to protect the environment. The main motive is to show that when people worked united for a noble cause, the result will be positive. World Environment Day reminds us to strengthen the world that ensure